drive traffic and sales to your campaign. In fact, the majority of Teespring's most successful sellers utilize Facebook ads to promote their products. The magic lies in Facebook's ability to target specific demographic and psychographic niches, which is a fancy way of saying that you can advertise to people based on their age, location, interests, and values. Whether it's women over 60 years old who live in Hawaii and love nachos, or men who speak Turkish and are nurses who went to college in Texas. This means Facebook ads are extremely effective when you can easily identify your potential customers. For Teespring campaigns with broader appeal, it can be harder to make your ads have a positive return on investment, which means you've earned more from product sales than you've spent on advertising. If you haven't really honed in on a specific niche of people, you end up wasting a lot of your ad dollars on people who find your design irrelevant. In general, though, Facebook ads are a simple, low-risk, high-reward proposition. They're also easy to manage. At any given time, you're able to control how much you're spending on a given ad, down to the penny. So, for example, say we created 5 different shirts on Teespring and ran $10 of Facebook ads for each of them. 3 of the ads aren't generating very many sales. That's fine. We can just shut them down and focus on the ones that are doing better. 2 of the ads have generated more profit than what we're paying for the ads. We'll keep these running as long as our Teespring campaign is active, and we can even increase the spend. Fast forward a week. We've now spent $100 on each of the successful ads. But combined, they brought in $1,000, which more than makes up for the $30 we spent on the ads we shut down. The flexibility of Facebook ads lets us run a lot of different ads, and have the ones that work pay for the ones that don't work. This goes hand in hand with Teespring, since it's free to launch as many campaigns as we want. There are 2 types of Facebook ads that we'll be discussing in this series: newsfeed ads and right-hand column ads. Newsfeed ads run in people's newsfeeds and look almost exactly like normal Facebook posts. The advantage of these is that they can receive social activity. People can like, comment, and even share an ad. Additionally, they're placed in prime real estate, right in the middle of a Facebook user's normal flow. Right-hand column ads are displayed in Facebook's right column and share that space with other ads. The advantage of right-hand column ads is that they're about 50 times cheaper to display. But, on average, the rate at which people click the ad tends to be about 50 times lower. Overall, newsfeed ads tend to be much more effective. But it's usually worth running both to see which performs better, since you can create both at the same time. Facebook continually overhauls their features and formatting, so not everything here will look like the current version of Facebook. Let's get started.